Alright, got a little microphone that's plugged in here to the side. We'll see if that'll help or hurt. Test this out. Got the water in. I got 10 gallons in there. You can see I got my bottom down in there, false bottom if you will. I got the thermometer out. We're going to turn on the pit. Since our water temp's 82, we're going to take this to a normal mash temp that I normally do, or strike temp of 160. Sorry, it was blurry there. Turn on the element. You can hear the element firing up. One concern is you can see the temp probe right there for the temperature readout, which is what's reading the red, which is the 82 right there. Maybe the grain bag, as it expands, gets around that, and I'm gonna have to keep an eye on that somehow. That's one reason I wanted to leave my analog in there, but I guess it would be the same. It would have been protruding into the grain bag, but we'll see. Just an experiment, test run here. We're gonna see what happens. I'll be back.